Hello friends, welcome back to Pixtrix. Today I am going to show you how to fix a Windows error when you try to open a share folder. The message says you can't access this share folder because your organization secret policy block unauthorized guest access. Don't worry, I will explain why this happened and show you step by step how to fix it. This error comes because Windows blocks something called guest access. Guest access means connecting to a share folder without a username or password for security. Microsoft disabled this feature by default. That's why you see the error. First method is using Group Policy Editor. Press Windows key or type gpedit.msc and press enter. Now go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Template, Network, Landman Workstation. On the right side, double click, enable insecure guest logins. Select enable, then click apply and OK. After that, restart your PC and try again. The share folder should open. If you are using Windows Home Edition, you don't have Group Policy Editor. So you need to use the registry method. Press Windows key or type reg edit and press enter. Now go to this location, local machine, system, current control set, services, landman workstation, parameters. On the right side, right click and choose new. Devote 32-bit value. Name it allow insecure guest auth. Double click it and set the value to number 1. Click OK, then restart your PC. Now guest access will be enabled. But remember, guest access is less secure. A safer way is to create a user account with the username and password on the computer where the folder is shared. Then you can log in securely when opening the folder.